Hello YouTube world. I got something in the mail today that I ordered a few weeks ago. It takes a few weeks if you order them in Canada, I believe. I got the Snapchat Spectacles version 2. They're still sealed. I'd like to open these up. And I'm curious how dark. Originally this is the Sapphire blue with twilight lenses. Originally I wanted the darker lenses. I can't remember what they're called, but because I thought maybe it might hide the camera a little better. But that was an extra week or two in delivery time, and I just didn't want to do that. So I didn't want to bother. So I thought I would take a chance on the twilight lenses. They look kind of nice. They're like a sky blue color. So let's see what this is like. Oh yeah, there's the button that indicates the charge. Quality case, I must say. It feels pretty nice. It's a smooth hard plastic on the bottom with a nice grippy cloth texture on the top. Pretty cute, yeah. So here we go. Oh, they are pretty dark. That's not bad. Pretty nice. They're so flat. You know, that's one thing. Like I always have Oakleys, and they're so curved, and when you put them on a shirt, they kind of stick out. So I thought that I would try something like Ray-Ban Wayfarers, which I do have a pair, but they're nice and flat. So when you put them on a shirt, they don't bang into tables or anything. I like how it's kind of purple. Like I said, these are the twilight lenses with sapphire blue. Pretty cool. There's the cable. I'll just take this out. Cable and probably some instructions, but yeah, here they are. Now look at that. That's a quality pair of glasses. Look how straight the arms are. Sometimes you'll get some where they're higher than the other side or something. See, can you tap it? It shows the battery life. Oh, it's recording right now. Button has a real positive click. Can you hear that? So now I assume it's recording. Pretty nice. I like how the arms taper off into a clear white. And just like Wayfarers, they got the metal wire inside. So there's the button. I like these lenses. I wasn't sure I would like these. Pretty nice. There's the camera. And then you're supposed to tap and it tells you the battery. Yeah, it's full. Oh, just a little down. You can double tap and it tells you how full they are. Full lit circle means they're full, so pretty nice. Let's zoom in and do some close-ups here. According to the spectacles.com website, most people are ordering the dark black with the, black with the blacker lenses. Not so much the lighter lenses, and they make the red ones. And most people are ordering the darker lenses for that, the sunset lenses or something they're called. Yeah, these are quality hinges. Look at that. Smooth. Very nice. And I noticed, this is something I noticed from the pictures on the internet. There's a little like rubber inserts. Now that's great because with Snapchat, it's supposed to be like a one-size-fits-all. And I know that those rubber inserts help because I even put them on my Oakley oil rigs. I just bought them and added them myself, and that really makes a difference. It gets them a little away from your eyebrows so they don't get, it doesn't mess up your lenses or whatever with sweat or whatever. But that's great because it keeps them on your nose. They don't keep slipping down if you're sweating or if it's a hot day. So yeah, we're going to pair these up and see what happens. But I just wanted to show everyone what the Sapphire with twilight lenses looks like. Thanks for watching.